What's up everybody, I'm Jay coming at you, and today we have a giant phone to unbox. Welcome, the Mi Max 3 everybody. This phone, I managed to get it from Hong Kong. It's kind of a special edition because it's not even, it's hard to get, this type of, the spec of this phone, because as you can see, this is the blue version, and this is the beautiful blue. It's not like other Xiaomi blue that give light blue. This is like dark blue. I really prefer this type of design. Before I go crazy into this phone, let's take a look at what we have in the front. Of course, I cannot read Chinese, but it has a 6.9 screen to body ratio. It has a dual camera, and it has a 5,500 milliamp battery, which is huge. It's the biggest on this type of phones. And I'm gonna do a test on the battery. I'm gonna do it because this is the version of 6 gigabyte version, 128 gigabyte. 128 gigabyte of storage and 6 gigabyte of RAM. So this might be slightly better performance when it comes to the gaming than the 4 gigabytes because of the amount of RAM that can be utilized playing video games and so forth. Does it even affect the battery life? Maybe, I don't know. So we're gonna test it out. But before we do anything further, let's take a look at the hardware. Let's take a look at the top. As you can see here, let me show you. So this is the dual camera, guys, and I'm gonna test the camera as well. This is the antenna. It looks nice. It really fits in with the blue type of texture. So I really love it. On the front, we have the headphone jack, and we have the microphone, and we have the IR blaster. On the right side, we have the volume up and down, and the power button. On the lower side of the phone, we have the speaker. They have both dual speakers, but we have a speaker, USB Type-C, and just a filler for the design. On the left side, we have only the SIM ejector, and if we take out this SIM ejector tool, which we have here, let's put the phone. We're gonna check it out if it has a dedicated SD slot, or it's gonna use the second SIM card. So let's see. Let's take it out. Oh, so it uses both. It uses like a dedicated SD slot, or you can use it as a SIM card. But the quality of this it's plastic, so be careful. Always, when it's metal, it's okay. The Mate 10 is metal, but when it's plastic, sometimes it breaks out, so beware of that. And also, it doesn't have an IP rating, so you don't see it. There is no rubber band here, so beware of it when you're close to the water or rain. It could hurt your phone. So let's put this back here, and let's go back. So this is the 128 gigabytes, as I said to you. That's it about the front. So the front, we have front camera and the speaker and the sensor as well. Let's take this out. All right, let's take out the phone. This is the MIUI 10, which is really nice. So you can just dim your screen all the way down like this. It's like an AMOLED screen, guys. I really like it. So if you can play with this, you can take it all the way down, and you can just boost the brightness too much, as you can see. It depends on your situation. So let's open up the screen, and as you can see, I installed all the games here before, so it was unboxed before, but hey, this is for the sake of the video. And before I go to take a quick look at the software, anything else, just take a look at the box. What else we have? We have the USB Type-C for charging, and we have quick charge. Let's try to play around this camera, this new camera here. So let's try to see if we can get a quick look at the. Yeah. So we have a 2 amp 12 volts or 12 volts 1.5 amps, so it's a quick charge, or 9 volt 2 amps. So I heard like a lot of people saying that this actually charges in 2 hours, which is crazy for the such a big battery we have here. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. That's what you get in the box. A little bit of paperwork, nothing special. That's the phone, and what I have here, let me just give you a sneak peek. Let's go to the battery usage. So I have it since yesterday opened. I just put it in idle mode, so it's around 8 hours 12 minutes, and we have only 2% now down. So this is really good for the phone. And just keep in mind that Wi-Fi was on, sync was on, auto brightness, and that's it. So yeah, it was connected to the Wi-Fi. So if it's like totally idle, you might get only 1%. But anyways, we're gonna test that later. That's it, guys. That's for the unboxing for Mi Max 3, and see you guys in other videos.